All you ladies pop your pussy like this. Shake your body, don't stop, don't miss.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy.